Today in front of me I have Realme C33, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document using the smartphone and later transform it into a PDF file. So first of all, you need to get the Google Drive app. If you do not have it, you can very easily do that for free on the Play Store app. Then launch the Google Drive tool. Once launched, over here you'll find this little plus icon or button, whatever. Tap on it. Tap on the scan option, then grant Google Drive the camera access. After that, lay the document that you wanted to scan flat and make sure that it's straight. Then align it inside the viewfinder. So, make a pretty scan, or at least as pretty as you want it to be. Once you're ready to take a photo or /scan, tap on the shutter button. After that, you'll get to preview the scan that has been made. If you are satisfied with its quality, with how straight it is, just tap on this little checkbox. If not, retake the picture by tapping on the cross sign. For some reason, oh my god, already, whatever. I'll redo the photo. It lagged. It's a very great feature of Android phones. They lag all the time. So in here, make a scan. Then tap on this little check sign. Then you can align it if you're not satisfied with the automatic alignment it provided you with. I'll make it so that the full document will be in picture, like so. Let's say make it a little bit more straight. Then tap on the done button. Once you're ready to save this little document, tap on the save button. Rename it if you want to, change its path and the folder it will go to if you want to as well. Then save. And that would be it. We have successfully scanned a document and turned it into a PDF file. So here it is. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.